Anytime I hear somebody speak with a British accent, I'm like, wow, that's hot. You think you're better than me? I like to talk in that accent. It's really fun. It sounds either really sexy or really condescending. There's loads of things to do there. It's quite fun, actually. You go there once, you get to talk like this. It's like a little gift they give you. Like there's something about it. It sounds so smart and astute. I don't know what that means. If I ever got robbed by a British thug, I don't think I could take him seriously. Because like in my mind, he looks like Prince Harry. That's not scary. He'd probably be like, oh, all right, put your bloody hands up, please. So cute. You think I'm messing with you? You think I'm messing with you? All right, give me your wallet.